Doors, windows, and inside landscape are done. Let's make outdoor landscape lines. Here is a ramp, a sidewalk, the entrance steps, and planting bed here. Start with ramp. Ramp width is 3 meters and here a 15 centimeters wall, and from here to there is 6 meters. And the sidewalk is 2 meters. So the total from building line to curb edge is 8 meters. Note that this part is extruded 15 centimeters, so this rectangle will be 315 centimeters by 585 centimeters. We will write 585, 315. Then make this rectangle a group. Then open it and delete the face. Then make this wall 15 centimeters. Then draw the planting bed. From this corner, draw a rectangle. In dimensions bar, we see that its depth about 205 centimeters. So we will write 585, this is width, 205, then delete the face and this line. Make these lines a group with G. Then draw this planting bed. Draw a simple rectangle. Its dimensions are 315 by 100. Then delete the face and make lines a group. Place it on this edge and move it right 30 centimeters. Then place it on the wall edge and move it backward 20 centimeters, maybe 25 to match the sketch. So this bed is done. Then we will draw the entrance steps. They are floating steps, so there is overlap between the steps. First step from here, draw its rectangle. You will find the step width is 180 centimeters and depth is 80. There is 20 centimeters for overlap. Make it group and adjust its place. It will be on 30 centimeters from the ramp edge. Then delete this face. It needs to move more 2 centimeters to match the sketch exactly. Then draw another step which is repeatable. It's 180 by 100. Write 180, 100 and delete the face. Make this step a group, press G. It is matching. After that, we will take a copy of this step to have an overlap with next step, 20 centimeters. So move it 80 centimeters and move it left 30 centimeters. We will move it more 2 centimeters to align the upper step. Now they are aligned. Then we will take the next copy. Move it 80 centimeters so overlap is 20 centimeters. And move it left 20 centimeters. Then next one. And it will be on the ramp edge. Exactly. Now floating steps and entrance are drawn. To draw the sidewalk, start from the right. Let's draw here a 3 by 2 meters rectangle. Write 300, 200 and make this round radius 90 centimeters and draw here 90 centimeters edge. Then with arc tool, draw an arc here to be tangent with this edge. Add tangent. Once it be magenta, click, delete this part, double click here, and make it group, then delete it. And this face, we will delete it, and offset these edges 10 centimeters or 12 centimeters. Delete faces. Make these sidewalk lines a group with G and take a copy of it. Place it on this edge and move it left 300. Then mirror it with scale tool holding Ctrl. Then add this part. So we will open this group, then select this edge and move it 500 centimeters or 400 centimeters. So now we drawn exterior lines. Draw this ramp indication. We will draw this with line tool. Start with this point to this midpoint. Then close the indication, press spacebar, and make it group. There are homework in this section, so don't forget to do it. And in the next section, there are foundations to improve the workflow and outputs. Then directly we will start in 3D modeling of our project.